Welcome back to Quarantine Cooking with Vince, where today we're going to be making something especially for Michael because this is the only thing I cook that he eats. Let's make bruschetta. For this, you're going to need garlic, onion, cherry tomatoes, I like the rainbow ones, bread, white wine, olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper. Much like a first date, these ingredients want to get to know each other, so you want to give yourself about an hour to let them sit. Let's get to it. In a bowl, crush your garlic commensurate with your hatred of vampires. For this amount of tomatoes, I hate vampires 4 to 5 cloves. Add an equal part red onion diced very, very small. Give this a good pinch of salt, pepper, 3 or 4 spoons of red wine vinegar, same amount of your white wine. Use a bright white wine, Chardonnay won't work. Stir this all together. Take this opportunity to pour yourself a big glass of white wine, but really, I didn't need to tell you that, did I? Let's chop our tomatoes. Here's where you get your fancy boy knife cramp by cutting up all your tomatoes into 8 pieces each. Even smaller is even better. Get these into your bowl, do it with all of these. Get your chopped tomatoes into your bowl and stir this up. Let this hang out for at least an hour. Use this time to make your crostinis, which is just another fancy word for toast. I toast mine in a pan with a little bit of olive oil because I like one side super crispy and one side soft, but ultimately, you do you. After about an hour, add 3 to 4 tablespoons or spoons of olive oil. Now taste it for seasoning. Does it need more salt? Does it need more pepper? And balance. Does it need more vinegar? Does it need more wine? I certainly need more wine in my glass. And here's my bruschetta. Serve them separately so people can put them together themselves and make them as wet or as dry as they want. You can add Parmesan, you can add basil, you can add whatever you want. Just get out there and make this.